Best friends, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time, but I am back. So Mslynn sent me 2 wigs. This is a 2-for-1 video. Oh my god, like I've never had one of those on this channel before. So they do have a special going on where you could pick 2 wigs. They're more on the bob side, so I ended up choosing a bang wig and a curly or wavy bob wig. So the bang wig has no lace whatsoever, so this is a good on the go wig. If you are a lady and you do not like lace, but you like to rock the bangs, or you need to just do something real quick because it's a bad hair day, this is definitely the wig for you, because it does come with a fake scalp and you can tint that. If you have a darker complexion, you can tint it. All right, so it does have combs and adjustable straps, and you can install an elastic band in this thing. Okay, the second wig is a wavy wig, and it is a 4x4, which is lace. Okay, and it does come with adjustable straps, and it comes as well in this. So because this is a 4x4, I am going to go in and bleach it, and this is basically the most work I had to do when it came to this particular unit. So I used 30 volume with quick blue, and I let it sit on for about 15-20 minutes. I rinsed it off, and I used purple shampoo to tone the knots, and then I just let it air dry. So now back to wig number 1 with the bangs with no lace. So basically these wigs are ready to go. Okay, so all I'm gonna do is go ahead and flat iron this wig all the way through, and I just did some minor work as to like making the cut even, and making the bangs a little fuller, because the bangs were a little sparse for my liking. So I just made them a little fuller and just cut them even as well, and that was basically it. The hair on both of these units were super soft for it to be cell units. Okay, so like it was super soft, but what I did notice on both of these units that the cap or the caps, they're on the smaller side. So I am a size 22.5, and I have a whole lot of natural hair underneath. Okay, so it kind of makes me a 23 on the circumference size when it comes to wigs, because of my hair. So because of that, putting these wigs on were a little hard. They were a little snug as well. So if you are a smaller head, these would definitely work for you. If you are a bigger head, I am not sure if these wigs come bigger for you. So I washed this wig, because you definitely want to wash all the hair that you get from overseas, you guys, especially with everything that's going on in the world. We don't want any, house guests or sicknesses, you feel me? So wash your wig. I use Garnier Fructis, and then I use my silicone mix, and I deep condition it with that. I let it air dry, and then I went in and flat iron. Now the flat iron I use is from Sally's. You can order this from Amazon as well. I do have it linked down below in my description box. So if you are interested in getting my favorite flat iron, I will have that definitely down in the description box for you. Okay, now when it comes to the crown of the head, I always use my hot comb to just lay down my parts, anything, because I like a super flat top. I do not like volume at the top at all. So I use my hot comb just to press it down, and now you are seeing me cut the rest of the bangs just to make it a little bit even. Okay, and so basically that is the end of this wig right here. And so after I tweaked the wig and made it even all the way around, made the bangs nice, and made a blunt cut, this is what the wig looked like after I was finished. And I really like that silk base top at the top. Like, it makes it look like it's natural in your hair, friends. So yes. Now on to wig number 2. So this is what she looks like. I let her air dry. Okay, she was giving me like I don't know if this is gonna work vibes, right? So basically all I did was bleach the knots. I did not pluck the hairline, and all I did was pull some baby hairs to the front. So let's install these really quick because these were so simple to install. Now disregard my bald cap because I don't know what I was doing when I laid that bald cap, but it is going to show during my closure install. Okay, so just disregard it. If I was to really wear this wig, I would not have my bald cap, my stocking cap that low. Okay, so I'm basically put on the bang wig, and this was a little bit later on in the day. So, and I did have those wigs sitting on the dresser, so I did go back in and lightly flat iron it just to get it straight and a little bit flowy and just a little bit more neat, because like I said, I had it sitting on the dresser, so it did have some creases. So I just go in and lightly flat iron it, and that is it. Adjust your wig how you want to. Now when it comes to bangs, I see a lot of people just go hacking at, you know, their bangs to make them shorter when it comes to a wig. Girl, pull that wig back or pull it forward. Stop cutting your hair, because you're gonna get mad if you cut too much. Okay, so you don't have to cut your bangs. Like, just tilt your wig back or forward. All right, so wig number 2, let's install her. Super simple. Oh my god. And we're gonna use liquid gold because liquid gold is my favorite. I don't even want to call it an adhesive, but it's my favorite to install my wigs. You can easily remove liquid gold with water, so that's the reason why I like it so much, because I interchange my wigs so much. Okay, so this is what she looks like without any trimming of the hair, because you're going to see me do that in this little demonstration. Okay, so I put a thin layer of liquid gold on. All right, and I'm gonna lay my lace down on that. Take my blow dryer on cool first. I'm gonna blow dry it till it's really tacky and the lace is sticking on its own, and then I'm gonna use the heat setting, well, medium heat on my blow dryer, my Silverbird, which is also down in the description box for you guys, and I am going to dry it on that until it's completely dry. So the wig length was really off for me, and so I was like, okay, let me just go in and maybe cut it and see what it's giving. Okay, so I ended up taking the asymmetric look out of this wig and just cut it to make it kind of a blunt look. Okay, like kind of like a curl fro, and it gave what it had to give. So I'm gonna just go ahead and finish trimming the wig to make it look very decent, and I'm gonna just fluff her up. I found the more fluffy this wig was, the better it is. And this wig is so lightweight, you guys. Like, it is not heavy. So for the ladies that, you know, that's going through the motions and that, you know, get their hot flashes, because, you know, I was talking to some mamas and they was like, oh, I can't do wigs because they're hot. This is a lightweight wig. It does not have, it's not heavy. So it's not going to make you hot. It's a short cut wig, so it is perfect for you. Okay, also this is a very lightweight wig when it comes to the density. I can't remember what was the density. It's probably 130, maybe 150 density, but it's not a lot of hair on this, which is a good thing, but the texture makes it look fluffy, so it'll give you the volume that you need without having too much hair on a wig. And I cannot get off of this video without telling you guys that both of these wigs together retail about $150 together. So I will leave the link so you guys could go browse and shop, maybe, if you guys are interested, down below for you guys. Make sure you look down there. Everything that I use will be down in the description box for you guys. Okay, make sure you look there. Thank you, Missy Lynn, for sending me these wonderful wigs, these lightweight wigs, these everyday wigs. Okay, and if you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. I'll be back with another one. Bye, best friends.